Welcome back to my world here. Thank you for clicking. Today I'm going to show you how to block all the ads from different websites when you're browsing. So as an example, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge, which is a browser that is a default browser in Windows 10, 11. So now we are here. This is the what is it again? The browser that I'm using. As I said, we're going to use this as an example. So once you're in, you click on the three dots here, or you can simply type in Alt plus F, and it will take you all the way here. And once you're here, you go to cookies and site permission. And then once you're here, what else do you have to do? You scroll down all the way to all permission, and you can come to pop-ups and directors and redirect. I'm sorry, and then you can add here a site that is driving you crazy with a lot of ads from different angles, and then you add it here. And once you've done that, you click add, and it will be all over for you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and you wish to continue to watch videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and share the video with someone who you think might need this. Thank you.